Hello and welcome. I am Dario from Hasebikes, and in this video I want to show you how our trikes can be folded with just a few simple steps. If you want to transport your bike by car or park it to save space, it's easy to minimize the pack size of our Lepus, Catweasel or Trikes. In this video I will explain the different steps. First, you have to open the Velcro strap under the seat. For trikes with a higher seat position like the Lepus, this step is not necessary. Next, you release the lock on the back of the seat. After that, you can simply fold it forward. Now you can open the joint lock. Make sure that the clamping wedge can move freely. Stand on the left side of the trike and grab the black rope. Then pull it upwards and slightly backwards so that the rear end folds under the front frame. After you have folded the frame, you can lock the rope in the clamp. Then the trike can be lifted and moved over the front wheel. To unfold the trike, you need to follow the previous steps in reverse order. First, loosen the rope. Then, grab the lower seat frame to unfold the frame. Return the seat stays to the vertical position and close the joint lock. Now, you can bring the seat into the original position. Make sure that it snaps into place. Finally, close the Velcro strap. Two important notes. When tightening the joint lock, use a suitable tool to lock it. And put the flexible chain tube in its intended position if it doesn't do this by itself. I hope you've enjoyed this video. We've included a link to a detailed user's manual in the notes beneath the video. See you next time.